This question is on empirical formula. Empirical formula is the formula that shows the simplest ratio in which atoms of elements exist in a particular compound. So the question is this: a hydrocarbon containing 88.9% carbon has the empirical formula. Which of these is the empirical formula? These are the atomic masses of carbon and hydrogen in the hydrocarbon. So look at the steps of solving empirical formula. The first thing you do is to list the elements. They are two: carbon and hydrogen. Now, what are their masses, or the percentage by mass? Their percentage by mass was given. Carbon was given as 88.9%. Hydrogen was not given. But common sense will tell you that if carbon is 88.9%, hydrogen should be 11.1%. So that if you add 11.1% to 88.9%, you get 100%. The next is the mass. Atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. It was given in the question. Hydrogen 1. After mass, you calculate the number of mole, because the ratio is according to number of mole. The number of mole means mass or percentage by mass. You can say percentage by mass divided by atomic mass. What do we now have? Percentage by mass of carbon is 88.9, atomic mass 12. So what do we have here? That is 7.4. Coming here, 11.1 divided by 1, we have 11.1. So let me use line to demarcate all this. Now, when you get the number of moles, the next is to get mole ratio. Now, to get the mole ratio, you divide these two numbers by the smaller one. 7.4 is the smaller, so you say 7.4 divided by 7.4. You will get 1. Here is 11.1 divided by 7.4. You are going to get 1.5. Now, the ratio is 1:1.5. But this 1.5 is not a whole number, and you cannot approximate. Once you reach 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, don't approximate. Rather, multiply the two ratios by a number in such a way that you get whole number. Let's try 2. Let's multiply by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. Yeah. Is 2. 1.5 times 2 is 3. Therefore, the ratio of carbon to hydrogen is 2:3. Empirical formula. Empirical formula will now give us C2H3. And that is the empirical formula of that compound. You can see the answer here. The answer is C. If you eventually approximate that 1.5 to 2, you will get this wrong answer. That is why you should be careful while dealing with empirical formula.